today we got a little small job in an apple orchard. Pretty cool. All these houses are right in the middle of the orchard. I guess if you like apples, it's cool. And deer. So we got to put a shed pad in. We got to just take the topsoil off, and we will put some crushed stone down, tamp it, form it, inspection, and then pour it the next nice day. All right, we're at the back of the orchard, the back of the lot, and this is the pad, 12 by 20. Homeowner has it staked out already. We'll square it up, obviously. Take this stump out and form up stone base, and we're good to go. So all right, we got it all boxed out, leveled up. We're gonna bring in the stone and get that sub base all compacted. Here we are, 3/4 of the day. We got everything done. Got the inspection coming tomorrow. Supposed to have rain tomorrow, so we won't be pouring this. But just 4-inch slab reinforced with wire mesh, 12 by 20, and compacted subgrade. Bada boom, bada bang. All right, inspection was good. Just waiting for the concrete. They're running a little late, so I'll go over some tools that we're using to pour this tiny pad. This is a Vibra screed, which you will see how it works. It actually just vibrates, and you pull it back, and it's basically a weed eater head, but it has a different system on the bottom. And it flattens the concrete, it brings the cream to the top, it knocks the rocks down, which gives you an overall better finish. Not finish, a better piece of concrete, because it takes the air bubbles out, and it also all the honeycomb inside in between the 4-inch will be as one. And this is a bull float, it's a gator, and it's a twist. Instead of you pull it back, you push it forward, the handles go on here in this twist, which gives you your pitch. You'll see that work. And those are just basic come-alongs that we use to pull the concrete and get it in place, and miscellaneous hand tools. So you will see how it works in a bit. Let's get our crete on. What we call straight finish. All right, what we're doing here is we're bull floating it down, get it nice and flat, and then this is just a basic broom finish. My battery's gonna die, so hopefully we get some footage of it. We just knock the edges down, do a fast, quick edge to set the stone like this. You know, you set the stone with the edger, and we float back over that, and then broom it all off, and then go back over and do a finish edge. So stay tuned. All right, guys, there's the finish, broom finish, just a basic shed pad, 12 by 20. My battery died. I had to run back over here after it was charged. See how we slick all the edges down. I'll go in detail on them one of our next pours on how to do everything. But like I said, this is just a basic shed pad, and come out good. So catch you on the next one.